Okay, that's going to be happening a lot because I'm using Screencastify. So when that happens, I'm just going to start off where I got cut off at. And I got cut off at the number 9. So I was almost done. Number 10 will be represented like this. It'll be the number 1 inside of a circle. And that's the best I can do it. Okay, so from here on out, you need to understand that these are going to be the numbers that's substituted because I'm eventually not going to ever use these numbers. So you're not going to see these numbers. So while you're watching and just learning and being entertained or would just want to see something new, you need to get these memorized. And eventually you will if you watch all the videos because I got the numbers. Right now, I have them up to 260, but I have them all thought out in my head up to 1,000. So this whole numbering system I have right here can actually go all the way to 1,000. I have a multiplication table. You can multiply them, and you can add them. So you can do multiplication and addition, or only those the only two things you can do right now, and then I'll be introducing positive and negative numbers and stuff like that. But this is just the basic gist of it, what you need to know in your brain. Now, this is a way that can help you like memorize more addition and multiplication equations and answers and sums and things like that. And also patterns, because I have a sheet right here of patterns. And so what I'm going to do is write a lot of the stuff that I wrote down already. I already got it created, so I don't have to like recreate it or create anything new. I'm just adding and showing you what I already kind of did. And it's getting a little confusing because I got a lot of stuff here. Because like I said, I stopped at 260 because I just got really busy. But I'm going to go all the way to 1,000. And that was your introduction. I will try to like help you out by putting in 1 equals, but eventually I'm not going to do that because I already have these memorized in my brain. So this is just a really cool way for me to look at it. Oh, and I'm going to be doing this too. You're going to see this a lot because this helps me understand this a little better. So the only problem I'm going to have is I'm not going to be able to color them in like I want to. You know what? I'm into art too, so you need to know if you see me get a little too caught up into the colors, you just need to know why I'm doing that. I'm getting a little too caught up in the colors because I'm an artist. Nope, I don't like that. Okay, let's try. I gotta see them in all green. What can I do so that I don't? You know what? I think I should do that with the 6. Yep. Okay, so the way you memorize it and the way you do it in your head, or the way I do it in my head is, okay, 1. 1 would be the beginning. 2 would be the loop of the beginning. So that's how you can remember this is 2 because it's 1, 2. And for the 3, this is simple because a triangle has 3 sides. So that you won't forget the 3 because it's a triangle with 1, 2, 3 sides. And then the 4 is like the loop, but it's rotated 90 degrees and then horizontal. So that's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go ahead and color that in. So it'll help me. It'll help my brain. And let's color this one in too. This is how I want to do it because it makes more sense this way. And the 5, let me hurry up. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides with that, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a pentagon. And the number 6 is just gonna be the number 3 smashed up like that. So think about it in your head is a star, but it's two rectangles that mash together to make six. And the number seven actually